G'day, mate. I was just ringing about the van that was for sale on Trading Post.
Yeah, but he plotted with a few cars. Did it have to be VN?
Yeah, the white one?
Yeah, sold it. He does plot with a few cars, though. Hang on, he's fighting kids. Stop that! Is that bad kids? Oh, I'm trying to cook tea.
Yeah, tell me about it. They're shitheads. My kids are anyway.
Hey?
My kids are anyway.
I think that you can fully find a better name for that one, like a worse one, you know what I mean?
Oh, like cunt.
It's a great... Oh, they're horrible.
It
Anyway,
is.
look, he just plotted with a few cars. Did it have to be a VN you're after, or...?
Oh, just something that I could take for a bit of a fucking barrel up the paddock, you know, just give it a good old thrash, something with the rear power like the old VN, you know, used to have one as a fucking teenager and just fucking, you know, sideways all the time.
Look, he did have a Nissan Skyline. They've got the VN motors in it, right?
Yeah, that's right.
I think the guy's coming Saturday to pick that up. That was only 1,300 with the roadworthy.
Oh, no worries then. Well, if your husband tinkers with cars all the time, just, yeah, hope...
He's actually got a licence now. Do you want me to grab your number and he can ring you back? He can figure something cheap for you?
Nah, that's alright. I'll keep searching, thanks.
No worries. His next cheapest Beyonce, he's got an ED fan one. He's got his guts for about 2,000, but it's got about 11 months rego on it.
Nah, that's alright. I probably wouldn't... no, I couldn't ever drive a Ford. It's not in my blood.
If you don't find him, that guy may not come Saturday to pick up the Skyline, but that's about the closest because it's got the Commodore motor. I think you've had a torture.
Nah, that's alright. Well, it's probably good that you didn't have the V in there anyway, because if you let me have a test drive, I probably would have fucking ended up wrapping around a pole.
Well, there you go. Think of your own safety, alright?
That's right. Thanks, love.
No worries. See ya.
See ya.